Right. So today, students, in the grade 8 lessons, second term, your 12th lesson is about the triangle and quadrilateral. In this part, I'll discuss with you interior angles of a quadrilateral. Right. So let's see what about the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Say, students, interior angles of a quadrilateral. So you know what is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral means a polygon having four sides, right? So let's see, one straight line, another straight line segment, another one. So this is a quadrilateral, right? So this is a quadrilateral, four side polygon. Now interior angles, right? Let's see interior angle. So if I name this one capital A, B, C and D, now you can get interior angle. So see, students, this is one interior angle of this quadrilateral, right? So you can take another one. This is another interior angle of the quadrilateral, right? So this is another one and this one. So you can see in quadrilateral, 1 2 3 4 interior angles, right? Four interior angles. So those are the interior angles of a quadrilateral, right? Let's see. Now I am going to take the sum. Sum means addition of these four angles, right? Addition of these four angles, right? So see here, I mark a point, right? Now you know, students, angle, right? Angle around this point, angle around this point. What is the magnitude? Angle around a point is 360 degree. 360 degree, right? Now what I am going to do, if you draw this quadrilateral in a piece of paper, right, if you color this way, now you can cut these angles, right? You can cut this angle, right? Suppose you have cut those angles. Now I'll going to keep these four angles, right, around this point, right? So this A vertex should come to this point, B vertex into this point, C vertex into this point, like that, right? First I cut the A angle, right? A angle, cut and keep at this point, you can see, right? Then I cut the B angle, right? So take the B vertex into here along with line, right? Then C angle, right? Keep in this way, right? Then D angle, cut. Now what happened? Angle around the point covered, right? Covered. So if you take the sum of this 1 2 3 4 angles, you get this whole angle. That means this is the point. This whole angle is, angle around the point is 360 degree. Angle around this point is 360 degree. So what you can learn, right? What you can learn is, if you add these four angles, you get 360 degrees. So that means, right, in a quadrilateral, right, sum of these four angles is 360 degree, right? Let's see, sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So remember that one. Right, now we'll move to the examples, students. How to use that sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Right, let's see. This is my first example, students. Straight line segment, right? You can see this is, and this is another straight line segment, third one, fourth one. This is a quadrilateral, right? Now I mark these angles, right? So this interior angle is x degree, this interior angle 100 degree, and this one 60 degree, and also this one 70 degree. So these are the magnitude of 4 interior angle. Now one angle here you can see that is unknown x, so want to find this x, right? What is the magnitude of this angle, right? But we can use take sum of the four angles, sum of the four interior angles, right? So let's say, right, this angle x degree plus 100 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree. So if you add those two, you get the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral. So early we learned that is equal to 360 degrees. So any quadrilateral, if you add those four angle equal to 360, right? Now solve this simple equation, right? You can see here in the left side three values are known, so we can add, right? So what is, right, x here you can't add, 100 plus 60 plus 70 degrees, so then you get 230 degree, right side 360. Now x added 230 degree, so how to remove this added 230 degree? You have to subtract 230 degree from left side and also from the right side because of equation, right? Then 230 positive negative cut 0, here remain only x. This one 360 minus 230 is you get 130, so that is the value of x, right? So that is example 1. Right, let's move to another example, example 2, right? So see, this is my quadrilateral. You can see four side polygon. Now this interior angle, right? This interior angle is, students, 2x degree, right? This interior angle 3x, this one also 3x, this one 4x, right? Now all the angles, all four angles are unknown, but what we can write? We can write the sum. We can write the sum, right? Let's write the sum, right? 2x, right? So we have degree, I'll write here 2x plus 3x plus 3x plus 4x, right? So if you add those four angles in a quadrilateral, that is equal to 360 degrees. So that is the result we got. Then you can add all are x, here 2x, 3x, 3x, 4x. How many x? Right here 2x plus 3x, 5x, 5x plus 3x, 8x, 8x plus 4x, that is you get 12x, right, and 360. Now what happened here is small equation, simple equation, x multiplied by 12. X multiplied by 12 mean to remove this multiplied 12 you have to divide by 12. If you divide left hand side of this equation, you should divide the right hand side also, right? Then you can cut this 12, then remain x. 360 can divide by 12, then you get 30 degree, right? So that is the value of x degree here, right? So next, example 3, right? Let's see another good example, students. You can get an idea how to solve this problems related with quadrilaterals, right? Interior angle. Now see, this is my figure, right? So different figure here, not only quadrilateral, here also triangle is there, right? So see, right, I'll mark angles 80 degree, 100 degree, 30 degree, x degree, y degree, right? Now this is my, right, y degree. Now you can see here, students, right? Now here x and y, right? How many unknowns are there? There are two unknowns, x and y, right? So you can see this is a quadrilateral, right? So in this quadrilateral you can see this angle we don't know. Understand? Right, keep in mind this is a small triangle. This is a small triangle, but in this triangle this angle we don't know, right? So therefore I use this big triangle. Can you see big triangle here? Right, you can see here big triangle. If you forget this straight line, if you forget this line, that means these two angles are not there, right? Let's see, right? So that is my idea, right? I'll forget this line, then I'll take big triangle. Now I'll write interior angle of this big triangle, right? Let's see, y degree. Can see, right? Now you can see what is big triangle is there. This one, this one, this one. Three interior angle of a triangle. Now you can write y degree, 80 degree, 30 degree. This is the sum of interior angle of triangle. We learn result. That is equal to 180 degree. 180. Now solve. This 80 and 30 you can add, right? Then you get 108. This one equal to 180. Now you have remove this addition of 110 degree. You can subtract both side 110 degree. Then you get y is equal this side 180 minus 110. Then you get y is equal 70 degree, right? So that is my one value, right? Now see, right? So these values are there, right? So just I forget to find the y value, right? Now you can see here to find the x students, we need to find this angle or this angle, right? So I'll consider this angle. How to find this angle, right? You can see this is a straight line. So you can see angle on a straight line, 180 degree. This 110 degree means this angle should be 70 degree. Then this whole angle is 180 degree. So I'll use that result, right? Right, now you can see this is quadrilateral. This one 80 degree, 70 degree, x we don't know, but we found y. Now you can use the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral route. Now see, x degree plus y degree plus 80 degree plus 70. Quadrilateral 360. Now I put my found value, y is right 70 degree here, right? Only change, y is 70, right? C equal to 360. Now I can this 370 plus 80 plus 70, then you get 220 degree. Here x plus 220 equal to 360. Then I can remove this 220 degree by subtracting 220 degree from left side and also from the right side. Then it is cut, right? Negative positive, then only remain x here. 360 degree minus 220, that is 140, right? Right, let's move to another example, students. Example 4. Right, see, this is my figure, right? Different figure you can see here, right? So this is my figure. Now I'll mark angles here, right? So these are the given data, right? 6 degree, this one, right? Now you also can see here x is unknown and also y is unknown, right? So there are two unknowns. What are those? X and y, right? So I want to find two unknowns, right? You can see here, right? Nice one. What is a nice one? This is a straight line and this is a straight line, right? Two straight line intersect at this point, then form vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite, 80 degree and x degree vertically opposite, right? So remember the result, vertically opposite angles are equal, that means x degree equal to 80 degree. This you can see, vertically opposite, that means x equal 80 degree, nothing to find, right? If you see these two are vertically opposite, you can take x is 80 degree, right? Now x known, here x also known, same x, right? Here 1 y. So this is an quadrilateral, this is quadrilateral, you can use the sum, right? Let's see, right? Right, x degree, x degree, y degree, 90 degree. So this is the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral, so that should be equal to 360. Now we found x, right? So we can put here x, that is 80, here also x plus 80, here y we don't know, here 90 we know, right? So equal to 360. Now in the left hand side, students, 80 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree, so that means we can add these three, right? We can add these three, 80 plus 80, 160, that is plus 90, then you get 250. So that is y plus 250 equal to 360. Then you can remove this 250, you can subtract both side 250, students, then you get 360 minus 250, that is y equal 110 degrees. So that is the value of other unknowns, right? So y is 110 degree. Now coming up next, right, you can see exterior angles of a triangle. So keep in touch with Maths Globe YouTube channel.